They were first romantically linked together when these photos circulated on social media. Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto and TV host Gretchen Ho were spotted watching a volleyball game at the SEA Games. Sotto's parents have clarified the two are not in a relationship. Then came these tweets. Ho was reacting to the NBI's order, asking Sotto to explain why he didn't violate the Bayanihan to heal as one act when he allowed tricycles to operate in Pasig during the quarantine. Ho's tweets got netizens gushing. And had them rekindle their wishful thinking.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.